All right, guys, the sun is back out. Here we go. What do you think?
Just gotta hit this big old record button.
Heck yeah.
That stick is long.
Look out. Dropping. Guys, I'm waiting for Jonathan. Just got to my parking spot. We're headed up to 4th of July Bowl. It's July 24th or 25th. I'm not really sure, I can't remember. But we're gonna get some turns in. It's gonna be a big hike after all because the road's still shut, but it should be awesome. It's panning out to be a great day. I think thunderstorms today are at like 3 p.m. So we've got all the time in the world to get up there and maybe get a couple laps, and it should be a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. All right, guys, all geared up. We're heading up to 4th of July Bowl. Jonathan's a great idea, as always. All right, little river crossing. Perfect. I don't know where Jonathan's going over there, but this looks like a great spot. All right, we found Johnathan. Okay, guys, we made it to my favorite drop-in spot every morning in the winter. Ballroom. There's that second roller right there. This run is nothing but powder and then awesome trees at the end. All right, guys. We're making progress. 2 more peaks to go, and we're there. But this looks like a good snow path too. Point that. Yeah. Best view of any hike. When you get over the ridge line, you can see the range on the backside. Dude, this is a new one for me. I've never seen this view from this peak before. This is gorgeous. We're on the home stretch now. Weather station up there and our drop-in point. Made it to the drop-in spot. Yeah. We got a summit too.
We're gonna go a little higher.
A little higher. It is absolutely stunning up here. I'm going to Summit Peak 10 before we drop right down here. But I was just thinking how blessed I am every single day that I get to come out and do stuff like this. Seriously. Yeah. I'm going on my 5th year in the county, and every day I still don't take it for granted. You just cannot, you can't go wrong. These views. Yeah, just so blessed to be living up here. And hopefully with the YouTube channel, I can do that full time to make sure you guys can see what to do when you visit, see if it's a place you want to live, and keep my dream alive as well.
Around 60 cents.
Dang it, I don't have anything in my pocket.
Yeah.
We did it! We summited Peak 10. Only a couple hours. We could have taken the road down there and it would have been way faster, but we decided to go the scenic route and put in a little bit more work. It's worth it.
Yeah, we went the hard way.
Hard way, always hard way.
Yeah, you always gotta do the hard way.
It's a trick I gotta learn this year for sure. Yeah, copper. There's buffalo. We did that the other day. Red, imperial way down there. Everything. Baldy, Johnathan, and Quandary way back there too. But these views are incredible, guys. And it's a real mellow hike too. Kind of a gnarly little chute. Cool. All right, guys, been hanging out at the top a little bit too long, just taking a break. It's time to suit up and drop this guy. Just got to grab my boots on. Jonathan's down there getting his boots on. This should be fun, but we should be able to ride out most of the way and then maybe hike over, hit a couple more patches and get down in no time. All right, guys, all suited up. Gotta pack the shoes away, pack the gear away. We're into super view, and the mouth mount is gonna go in. We're gonna do first person ride in. All right, guys, all strapped in. Jonathan strapped in, and the sun went away, so we gotta wait. The sun is back out. Here we go. What do you think?
Record button.
Heck yeah.
Let's take it long.
Look up. Dropping. Woo! That was awesome. Stuff is choppy, dude. Holy crap. Yeah, buddy. That was fun.
You're just up there. Dude, the steep part was so good.
It's so good.
That lower half that had the rain holes.
Yep.
Ooh.
Yeah, we start hitting
And sun
speed.
pockets, but
Oh, so sick.
so good.
Heck yeah. All right, guys, to the next patch of snow down this road. Yet again, Jonathan has got himself stuck in a situation. He always goes left, and now he's trapped in rivers and streams. Ah! Guys, this is exactly why you do wall sits at the gym.
How's your calves doing?
It's the quads.
I went switch.
I know, I don't know why I didn't do that.
All right, made it down quick, back at Pete's Bowl. Just gonna quick drop this, and the car's right over there. And then wings, chicken wings. Yeah. You. Whew, home stretch.
Blam, 3 hours, 40 minutes later, back to yesterday.
Yeah,
Easy, dude.
crushed it. All right, guys, we just finished up packing up. We got Johnathan here. Make sure you check out his channel, linked in the description. He's the guy that pushes me to do this. He's the guy that pushed me to make videos for you guys as well. We've got a lot more adventures planned this summer and a lot more snowboarding to do to make sure we get that 12-month season. And this guy's just got a lot more in the works than that. So make sure you check out his channel and find out what he's got in store as well. Later, guys.